$3,000 a month sounds good, until one day you realize your bank account still looks like it's surviving on instant noodles, and somehow people making $1,000 are suddenly making $5,000, while you're still calculating if buying extra cheese is financially responsible. So what changed? Most people think income growth comes from working harder. Nah, if hard work alone made people rich, every construction worker would own a Lamborghini by now. The real difference is value. Imagine two people. One guy spends 8 hours scrolling, arguing in comment sections like he's defending the universe. The other guy spends 2 hours learning a skill online. Editing, coding, sales, content creation, literally anything useful. Fast forward 1 year. The first guy gained expert knowledge in celebrity drama. The second guy doubled his income. That's the scary part about money. Your income usually stays the same until you change. A lot of people stay stuck at $3,000 because they get comfortable. Same routine, same habits, same excuses. I'll start next month. Bro, next month has been coming for 4 years. And the funny thing? Most income jumps don't happen slowly. They happen suddenly. One new skill, one smart connection, one opportunity. Boom. Your entire life changes. A friend of mine started editing videos on a cheap laptop that sounded like a dying airplane. At first, he made almost nothing. Now, companies pay him more money for 1 week of editing than he used to make in a month. Not because he became a genius overnight. He just kept improving, while everyone else kept waiting. That's why increasing income is less about luck and more about becoming difficult to replace. Because when you're easy to replace, your salary stays small. But when your skill saves people time, makes money, or solves problems, people pay more. Simple. And no, you don't need to become some rise and grind robot, waking up at 4 a.m., drinking motivational coffee. You just need Even one focused hour daily can completely change your future income. The biggest trap is thinking small upgrades don't matter. They do. A person earning $1,000 more per month is earning $12,000 more per year. That's life-changing money for most people. So if you feel stuck right now, remember this. Your current income is not your final form. It's just the price of your current skills. Upgrade the skills, and the number changes too.